We made it. It's kind of chilly, huh?
It is. I need my gloves. I need my scarf. I think I'm gonna wear a beanie and then this. Cold.
This is where we gotta check in. What are you doing today? Where are we going?
We are going on a mountain roller coaster. And then you have to like go, this is how you go, and then you stop, you brake. But it's on your own, like you can go faster, you can slow it down. It'll be nice.
But it's 39 degrees right now.
Yeah, 39 degrees, so it's gonna be really, really cold. Especially when we're going, it's gonna, you're gonna feel everything on. We'll see.
We'll see. Are you scared?
No, I think it'll be fun.
This is the coaster right here.
This is the coaster?
Or what it's gonna look like.
Down here. I can sit here with you if you want. You want to share?
I want my own.
Okay. And then these are you push and then you pull to brake.
Let's go. We gotta walk down the road to get to it.
Yeah.
Make sure this is secure, okay?
Okay. Yeah, it's secure.
Stay here. Use this seatbelt.
Okay.
Push down.
It's good.
One side here, let it go.
Okay.
Push down.
Everything on the trees, so beautiful. We control the cart speed, so it's all my control. I want to go fast, I can go fast. I can go slow, I want to go slow, I can. Look at that guy. Watch for slower riders, brake to control speed. Okay. Maybe here. Push lever forward now. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! It feels like an actual roller coaster. It's so cool. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. This is starting to get real. There's the fast now again. Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that ski lift. see if I can get him behind me or something. I don't. Let's start slowing down now. Slow down now. I think that's it. I think we're starting to slow down. Okay. Slow down.
Thanks out that side for me.
Uh-huh.
Have a good one.
Thank you. He's going in hot. Oh my gosh. It's really fast. Like you let it just like full on go throttle. It's really really fast. But you have to like pull back sometimes in the turns. So I was pulling back sometimes in the turns just like to get the speed off because it was really fast.
It probably doesn't look that fast when you're watching it. It feels fast.
Yeah, it feels really fast. And especially because it's cold, so the wind's just like hitting your face. Is that the casino right there?
I think so, yeah.
Is that Mount Airy?
I think that is coming around the bend. We made it.
We are making it. We're here.
It's snowing.
It is official. It's the first day of winter. The snow.
It's our first snow we've seen this year.
Yeah. We were not expecting snow, but I'm here for it. It looks beautiful.
What did you see the snow made you feel like?
Oh, it makes me feel like I'm in a snow globe. Like I'm a little person stuck in a snow globe. Like Krampus.
Are you feeling kind of warmer now?
Now it's nice and toasty here.
It's pretty. They have it decorated for Christmas.
Yeah. Look at the nutcrackers.
It's pretty.
It's very pretty, yeah.
What floor are we on?
We're on floor 6. It's the highest floor. Oh, we need
Wait,
the card.
here.
I need the card. Okay.
Going to the top floor,
I'm on the top floor.
where we have a view of the parking garage. The longest hallway.
It smells good though.
It does. Here's our room.
There's a room. Okay, so you enter. On this side, there is the bathroom. Come on in. Oh, the shower. Look at the shower. So the shower is huge.
Oh, yeah.
And then right here is going to be a toilet. Look, it has its own little like door for the toilet. And then we have the bed.
Cute. It's cozy in here. It's warm.
Look. You can see the snow. And the mountains. See, I told you.
You can see the snowfall.
Snow falling. It's like a snow globe, huh?
The bar's open. Yeah. We made it.
We made it. We have our little drink.
What are you planning on for dinner tonight?
I don't know. There's a buffet that we could go to. And there's also Guy Fieri's kitchen that we can go to. And it sounds tempting. I don't know. We might go
It's cute though.
see which one.
The little poker place and stuff.
Yeah.
It's kind of just like a big room.
Big room, the casino. But
With
then there's a
restaurant.
spa. There's a pool, heated pool. Yeah.
I put $5 in and made $4.30
Yeah. $4.30.
On
In
my-
like 2 seconds.
on my first try on this machine. I didn't get greedy. I cashed out.
You cashed out, yeah. We found the Squid Game little slot machine, I guess.
You feeling lucky?
No. Oh.
Where are we now?
Huh? Oh, we're at Guy Fieri's. That's it. Kitchen. Oh my god.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How's your winning streak going so far?
I lost $10.
I lost $10
And he
too.
lost $10, so now we're down 20. We'll see if we can get it back up.
That was good. What'd you got?
Got little fries and a Hawaiian chicken sandwich.
Oh my god, that guacamole burger.
The whole guacamole.
This thing's big and juicy. Is it good? What do you think? What do you rate it from 1 to 10?
A 10. It's really good.
We left the casino.
Yeah. We left.
We're full. Paula didn't finish her burger.
I have it to go.
But it took her to Flavortown.
It took me to Flavortown.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We had an early night.
Yeah, we had an early night, which is good because we woke up like today, early, like at 8:30.
If it didn't seem like we didn't do much, we didn't do much.
We did a lot.
Well, what did
We
we?
gambled.
We lost $20,
We lost $20.
and we had a couple drinks, and then we ate at Guy Fieri's restaurant.
Gary's restaurant kitchen. It was good. I mean, I had a Hawaiian chicken sandwich.
It's right here. Where is it?
It's right here.
She didn't finish it, but she's saving it for later.
Saving it for later. This is really good. It has like a big pineapple slices. Oh. And then we got the trash can nachos. And then Christopher got a burger.
There's no snow.
Kinda. Look at there's on the floor right here. On the ceiling.
Oh yeah,
Just a little bit.
but it's a nice day.
It's a nice thing.
Nice overcast day.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out of here.